Hey everyone, here I'm going to share a quick tip for those who are trying to get into LinkedIn Top Voice. See, choose topics where you can easily get into the list of LinkedIn Top Voice. Don't choose topic where competition is too high. If I talk about resume writing, okay. So for resume writing, since last I think 15 to 20 days, I am striving to get or say make a place in among these 5% contributors. But you can see yesterday's what it was 15% and today it's 14%. So don't go for topics like resume writing or topics where you feel that there will be a lot of people who are already engaging on these kind of topic. So it would be too hard for you to make a say like make a place for yourself. Okay, so choose topic like this. If I talk about leadership, then training, then skills development, and maybe you can also go for digital marketing, because though there are a lot of people into digital marketing, but still if I talk about the competition of it, and if you are say answering questions of around a count of maybe 6 to 8, then you can easily make a place within 3 to 4 days in digital marketing too. Okay, so for resume writing I would suggest you, if it's kind of additional like feature or say additional offering from your end, so you can think of these kind of services later. But before that, if you really want that one badge in your profile, so go for topics like training or skills development or leadership, these kind of topics where you can count the number of contribution, right? So just go for it. So if I talk about this, so you can just select any topic, like all these are resume writing. Okay, so you can select resume topics that are relevant to your offerings, your service, your qualification, and then you can answer for the same. Okay, so if I like move forward, and here you can see team leadership voice badge also you can strive for. Other than this, you can see 4%, I'm into 4% of quality content. That's why I have that like digital marketing badge on my LinkedIn profile, because I am among those 4% of contributors, and to get into it we need to like be inside 5% of it. So for me it is easy to make this training thing. You can see, just wait. As it is 6%, I have already answered 3 questions today, so maybe by tomorrow I could like possibly made it to 5%. Okay, and for resume writing again, like it is say we can say that on a daily basis it is decreasing 1%. So yesterday it was I think, yeah, yesterday it was 15, 2 to 3 days back it was 18, then 15, now 14. Maybe tomorrow it will come to 12 or 11, but still I know it is going to take time, because for resume writing on LinkedIn there are a lot of people who are striving to get this kind of badge. Okay, so don't go for topics or say titles where if you feel that this percentage rate is decreasing very slowly. If I talk about, like for an example, resume writing, so yesterday it was 15, now it's 14, so maybe tomorrow it will be 13 or maybe 9, then again I will be waiting for 4 to 5 days. So if you want to get it within 2 to 3 days, go for topics like training, okay, leadership, teamwork, or say uh, leadership, or say skills development, and these kind of topics. You can also go for search engine. Okay, you can like look for search. If you are in digital marketing field, make sure to go for topics that are relevant to your field. Don't just blindly go for any topic for which other people are running for. Okay, don't do this, like if I have achieved my digital marketing best, so you are also striving for the same. It should not be like this. You should understand your interest, your say your like strengths. Okay, so then with the help of these strengths you need to play with it. Okay, once you'll get these badges, so people will approach you and it will come in the form of opportunities for you, because people will get to know that now, yeah, you are a top voice in say digital marketing, so you will be having good knowledge of it, so they can ask for services from your end. Okay, so choose things wisely and take steps very wisely, and yeah, you are good to go. Just that, choose topics in which you can get the badge within 2 to 3 days, because for resume writing, and there are a few more topics. If I talk about artificial intelligence also, So from a few of my connections, they told me that it has been around 8 days they were continuously say engaging or say contributing in these kind of articles, but still they were not at all getting the badge. Okay, so I asked them to to go for some other topics related to the same field. Okay, then they got it within 2 to 3 days. So you can also, instead of go for resume writing, maybe you can strive for writing, or maybe you can strive for script writing, copywriting, like these kind of things. You can bring a few changes to get that LinkedIn Top Voice badge. Okay, and yeah, that's truly say something sure thing that you will be getting it within 3 to 4 days if you are conveying enough time to get it. Okay, so that's not a big thing to get, but yeah, just that focus on the topics where there would be less competition, and once you achieve a few badges, say 1 or 2 badges, then you can focus on topics where you feel that you can say deliver great services. If you are good in resume writing, if you are a professional resume writing, then you can surely go for topics like resume writing. Okay, so yeah, I just want to talk about this. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, stay tuned, bye bye, and take care.